Hi guys, welcome to Rancho Fury Garage. My name is Mario and welcome to the channel. So since I posted my last video showing you the extent of rust on my Bronco, just want to give you guys an update on what I did the past several days. And I've removed the hardtop, the two doors, the windshield, the tailgate, the front grille, and the driver's side front fender. So, and also after that, I took more dimensional measurements of the engine bay. I just want to make sure that, again, when I put these parts together, new parts together, that, I retain the original measurements as close as I can and as square as the original. And I also did the same thing for the driver's side and passenger compartment, where I took the measurement from the tip of the dash right here to the opposite corner of the B-pillar post. I took those two diagonal measurements so that, again, when I put these panels together, that it's square and as close to original as much as possible. So in this time-lapse video that you'll see in a few minutes, it shows you again the removal process that I took to remove these parts. And you'll see there's a couple of parts that really gave me a hard time when it came to removing the bolts. On most of these rusted out bolts, I even gave it a good spray lubricant several days before I removed it, just to get the oil penetration to those crevices to hopefully loosen it, but it didn't work. I even tried to use a propane torch to heat up the bolts to try to get it to loosen up and removed, but it didn't do the job. So what I ended up doing was using a grinding wheel to remove the last 3 bolts that held the driver's side front fender to the A-pillar post. So when I got those removed, I did more inspection on the panels. For sure, the driver's side kick panel and the fender apron will be removed and replaced, because there's no way of saving those, as well as the top cowl that's badly rusted out, and then there's no way of saving that. That also needs to be replaced. So let's see, what else have I done? Today, I guess I'm just going to remove the driver's side front fender and then do more research on what I need to do next with the truck. Maybe remove the wheels and put it on jack stands to get it level with the floor. And then I still need to decide on what I need to do next. I did buy the complete floor pan assembly, the driver passenger side, as well as the back side where the seats mount to. So I bought that complete assembly. I thought that was the easiest, and that would be the easiest way to just replace a whole floor pan instead of replacing it piece by piece. So I still haven't decided yet if I'm going to do that or work with the A-pillar post, kick panel, and fender. So I haven't decided yet on that, but I will be doing that pretty soon, hopefully. So anyway, to get on with it, I did it on a time-lapse video, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so I've got the left driver's side front fender off. In the process, I broke, well, pretty much these 3 bolts right here. This one right here is the only one that I managed to remove without breaking. This obviously just ripped off the fender. This was already ripped off. This one here ripped off the fender. I think there's one here, but it's not even there anymore. The bolts that I put on the lighting here so you could see it better. So these 3 bolts right here, I ended up just grinding off. 1, 2, 3. The 3 bolts that attach the fender to the A-pillar post. The other one that broke off was this right here that holds the bottom portion of the fender. This I managed to remove, so but the rest, it's broken. As you can see, everything else is badly rusted, so this is going to be replaced. The I think this is the kick panel is going to be replaced, and the apron. So that'll be the next step. This hose right here is for the vacuum hose for the windshield wipers. So I'm just gonna yank this out. I don't think I'll be using these. I'll probably end up using the electric wiper, because originally this vacuum hose was attached to the fuel pump. The fuel pump was a fuel pump and a vacuum pump assembly. Well, I've already replaced the fuel pump with just a fuel pump without the vacuum assembly, because that's no longer available. So, and it's getting vacuum from somewhere else. It looks like it's from directly from the engine intake there. So anyway, I won't be using the vacuum type windshield wipers. Again, I will be using the dual electric motor. So in that time-lapse video, that's what I've been doing the past several days on my days off and a couple of hours after work. On my videos that I post and will be posting, it's just my take on the disassembly and build process. There are other sources in YouTube which I watched and subscribed to, and I advise you guys to do the same thing if you guys are taking on a Bronco build project, a frame off restoration, because their videos helped me out a lot, gave me a lot of confidence, and it keeps me motivated in doing my project, because this truck has a lot of rust, and I will be replacing lots of panels that are not worth saving. So in my future videos, I'll try to get detailed as much as possible with the replacement process. So if you guys like what you see in my videos, please like and subscribe, and that'll keep me motivated in making more videos. But that's it. Thanks again for watching Wrench of Fury Garage, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.